may surprise many that I didn't start my love affair with self-care until my 30s. As an 18-year-old young mom, the last thing I thought about was me and my personal needs. In fact, I had no idea what a skincare routine even looked like until I became a newly single mom at age 31. Fast forward to today, my workday doesn't even begin until I've taken some time to properly care for my mind, my body, and my skin. One of my daily skincare rituals is using Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, which is the perfect serum for all ages. Apply a full dropper of Advanced Night Repair Serum to the palm of your hand. Massage onto face in a heart shape, using all fingers of both hands. Start in the center of your face and move out to your ears. Glide hands from sides of face down under chin. Next, trace a larger heart from middle of forehead out to your temples. Glide down the sides of the face and close the heart shape under your chin. Finish the heart ritual by gently massaging into your neck in a downward motion. After one dropper, skin looks radiant and plumped with hydration. I'm on my second bottle and my skin definitely feels firmer. For me, I love that it has hyaluronic acid to hydrate my skin for 72 hours, won't clog pores, and is great for all skin tones. Learning to show myself love every day has truly been life-changing for me. Simple acts like layering on nourishing products on my skin, or even getting ready every day, is not selfish or indulgent. It's how I thrive. Remember, darlings, there's no right or wrong time to become the best version of yourself.